Colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in the United States. One of the most common misconceptions is that the disease affects only men, but colorectal cancer affects everyone, which means screening is just as important for women. Michelle and Brenda from Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center joins us today with some important information. So y'all, thank you both for being here. So
thank you for having us.
Tell me what people need to know about colorectal cancer.
Well, the first thing they need to know is that it's a painless procedure. It's an at-home kit that they take. We show them how to use it. They take home. They mail it back in. So there's nothing they have to do, but doctor's visits and stuff, unless that test was to come back positive.
Right.
It's very easy, and that's one of the ways that colorectal cancer is preventable, by screening.
By screening. So this is what this kit is, right?
Yes.
Okay. So people get this in the mail. Do they request it from y'all?
So what they do is they'll need to call us at 806-414-9175 and schedule an appointment with us. We will bring them into the program and get them enrolled, which does require a little bit of paperwork. We talk to them about what colorectal cancer is, the warning signs, the risk factors, how to reduce the risk, and the different screenings that are available. Then we also demonstrate this at-home test, give that test for them to take home and do in the privacy of their own home, and they mail it back in the prepaid envelope. And then, like Brenda said, if there's any abnormal results, we also walk patients through what a colonoscopy process looks for.
Right.
And our grant completely pays for all services for anybody 45 and older in the state of Texas.
Well, that's very good. So what kind of signs should people look out for?
If there's unexplained weight loss, pain, bleeding in the stool or blood from the rectum that's unexplainable, a change in bowel habits, meaning if you go every day at 6 o'clock in the morning and now you're starting to go every other day, or there's just a lot of different changes with you, it's time to go see a doctor and ask some questions. People don't like to talk about this disease. It's kind of an uncomfortable subject and an uncomfortable topic, talking about your restroom use, but it is very important when you notice a change in your body to talk to your physician.
It is important. So y'all have been doing a lot of work with this. I mean, you've been on the show before about it. So how have you seen that impact help the Panhandle?
It has helped a lot because traveling to the top 26 counties, we have screened quite, I don't know the exact number of people, but we've also screened people that were actually cancer.
Yeah. We've removed 213 precancerous lesions from patients.
Wow.
We have 4 cancers that have been detected through our program. These patients had no symptoms or warnings that anything was even wrong, so without the program's intervention they would not have known that they had cancer. And we've also sent out over 1,700 fit kits that have been returned into the program to increase screening in the area.
So this is kind of like every cancer, early screening and early detection is key, right?
That's the main important thing.
So tell me about the event that y'all have coming up.
So we have a colorectal cancer roundtable coming up on March the 7th at 12 noon at Texas Tech University here in Amarillo. We have 3 physicians on our panel. We have an internal medicine specialist, we have a gastroenterologist, and we also have a colorectal cancer surgeon on the panel. We also have 2 colorectal cancer survivors that will be joining us, as well as a family member who has lost a loved one to this disease. So we can kind of get a full perspective on this disease from not only the physician standpoint, but the patients that go through the disease themselves, and then also the loved ones that help with their family members while they're going through this diagnosis.
Right. Okay. Well, y'all, very important work that you both are doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will put all of that information of the roundtable and the free screening event over on myhighplains.com, so y'all make sure to check that out. Coming up next, we have a look at news and weather headlines. Stay with us.